Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock your Facebook profile officially in 2025. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone and then click on the profile icon on the top right corner and then choose your profile. Now, make sure that you have turned off professional mode on your profile. To do that, normally click on this three-dot bar and choose Turn Off Professional Mode. And click on this Continue button. And then click again on this Turn Off button. Now, click on this Review Default Settings and choose Friends. Then click again on this Next button and click Confirm. And click Done. Now we have turned off our professional mode on the profile. Now we are going to lock our profile again. Click on this three-dot bar and then you will see a new option here, Lock Profile. Just click on it and choose again Lock Your Profile. And that's it. We have successfully locked our Facebook profile. Now every time if anybody visits our profile, they will see that our profile has been locked. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to lock your Facebook profile officially in 2025. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.